subscriber to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. Yeah, so today I am in my kitchen. Yeah, I know you've seen this kind of content for a very long time, but I'm bringing it back. Today I'm going to prepare some quick cabbage stew because I think previously when I prepared it, my husband really enjoyed it. So today he says I should prepare another one for him. Today's one is a quick one because the cabbage is not a lot, it's just a little. So I'm going to do it quickly because it's going to, I'm not sure it's going to take forever to cook it. So that's why I'm saying quick, okay? So yeah, I am going, don't mind, forget my hair, okay? This is how I look when I'm home. I need not to now go and do makeup and be in the kitchen. No, that's not how I am. I'm like this when I'm home, okay? I just want to be free. I just want to have my hair breathing. Yeah, because Ghana is very hot, and my kitchen has only one window, so in here too is very hot, so I can't come and kill myself. If you want to see how I prepare my cabbage stew, okay, don't go anywhere. But before, please subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1,000. Okay, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe. That's the most important thing. And comment if you have to. Please comment if you want to see how I prepare my cabbage stew. Don't go anywhere, and I know you're going to enjoy this video. See you in my next video or my next post. Is it post? No, not post, this video, okay? Bye. Yeah, so I have all my ingredients here. So I have my fresh diced tomatoes. This is a can diced tomato. This is how it comes. It comes in a can like this. Yeah, but this one is the tin tomato. This is the paste. It was left with only one for the diced tomato, so that's what I'm using today. But it comes in this form. And this is my chopped onions. This is tuna flakes. This is how it comes. So this is the tuna I'll be using. This is the main ingredient, that's the cabbage. So this is the only cabbage we have in the fridge, so I'm going to just use this little one to just prepare a quick cabbage stew for my husband. And we have here salmon. Yeah, so for my spices, I'm going to use curry powder. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to use white pepper powder. I'm going to use Gino Max. I like the shrimp or shrimp cube, any, but I prefer the shrimp one, and a little salt. Okay, so yeah, these are going to be my seasoning for my stew. And oh, I forgot my cooking oil, so I'm going to use cooking oil as well. Okay, so let's start already.
Bye.
just as a disclaimer, I know everybody has a method or a procedure in preparing his or her food, so this is not a must do preparation. I don't know, but if you feel like you want to use my procedure, you can. I'm going to leave the ingredients and the method in the description below, so just go and check out the description box and you're going to find all of that in there. So yeah, it's not by force to follow my procedure or my method, but if you want to follow it, that would be nice, and let me know how it went if you did. So yeah, if you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section. Please let me know if you like videos like this. Give me a thumbs up, that's a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 1,000 already, and yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.